Hi friends, this video shows how to assemble objective lens of microscope after cleaning. So this is a lens. This I already cleaned. If you want to take this lens part outside, you can just remove this screw, then remove this plastic. Just use some small needle like this, then you can just rotate this plastic and remove this plastic. Then we can take that lens outside and clean. So we can also clean without taking the lens outside. We can clean from here also. So I already cleaned it. So let me assemble it. So take this part, then insert this spring, then we can insert this lens here. Then we can use this plastic, we can tight it. Then use this final part and tight. Okay, done. So now we can connect it back to the microscope. So let me connect it back. Okay, done. So this way we can assemble all parts of objective lens back. So after cleaning, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.